Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Chrome bookmarks into collections for faster research, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Navigate to the bookmarks you want to organize. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Bookmarks from the drop-down menu. Choose Bookmark Manager from the submenu. In the Bookmark Manager, locate the bookmarks you wish to add to a collection. Right-click on the selected bookmark. Select Add to Collection from the context menu. If prompted, create a new collection or choose an existing one. Input a name for your new collection if creating one. Click Save or Add to confirm your selection. To view your collections, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Collections from the list. Here, you can see all your created collections. To access a bookmark quickly, just click on the relevant collection. You can add more bookmarks to your collections by repeating the earlier steps. Feel free to rearrange bookmarks within a collection for easier navigation. Remember, organizing your research can save you time and enhance productivity. Now you are ready to use Chrome's Collections feature for faster research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.